everybody, Gina DeLuca here. It is January 1st, 2020, so Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a safe and fun New Year celebration. I stayed home. I just thought that my pajamas and a fireplace sounded like more fun. And I have been very, very busy. I know I haven't been posting many videos, and so very soon I'm going to be able to tell you why. Very, very soon. In the next, hopefully, week or two, I have a very big announcement to make. It's killing me not being able to say anything. So what do we have going on today? I'm going to do a straight pour. The colors. I have Brilliant Blue from artist Loft, Turquoise and artist Loft, and Green Yellow. And I have Americana, the DecoArt Americana Metallics in Copper. All right, I need to put some paint that will be my base color, but this is also going to be the background color for the painting. When I say background, if there are going to be cells, it's not going to be that color. It's going to probably be this copper. But first, let's lay down a base coat. I put the base color in the cup first to make sure that I have enough for that. I would hate to accidentally use it all for the actual base coat. The base coat is down. The bottle says that it's opaque, but it doesn't really go on like an opaque. This was a struggle to get this even, but I have enough paint that it should not make a difference. So I'm going to go with the turquoise. I forgot to mention the consistency is very thin. It does not make a mound when you're pouring or drizzling it off your stick. Alrighty. Let's put some paint in the cup. So I did the turquoise. Now I'll do the yellow green. And the copper. Alrighty, that's the cup. Let's make a mess, shall we? Oh, good. And the copper is disappearing in there. That's what I want. Okay, let's pop these bubbles. Okay, let's stretch this out and see what happens. I do want to save as much of that copper as I can. Gonna grab myself a little corner catcher, basically just a bent piece of cardboard. That will help me to keep too much of that from pouring off, if possible. Bringing the weight of the paint back to center. Patience is your friend. There's no need to rush this. You do not get points for speed. Oh, I hate to lose these cells over here, but I do want to try to catch this corner. Something going on right there. Let's see. Something's being naughty. And the more I stretch this, the more copper cells will probably come up. I do want to keep some of that blue, though, to balance this out. Now we're just moving for the sake of composition. Okay. I think I'm going to leave it alone. The way the turquoise and that yellow green blend it with that blue looks like northern lights. That's interesting to me. I may have to do something with that. I guess there's going to have to be a Northern Lights pour in my future. But I'm going to leave this alone. I do imagine I'll probably have more copper popping up. Copper popping. So we'll see what happens. Back in a few. Okay, here it is. This came out so cool. I love what is happening right here. If I could figure out how to harness that, that is so cool looking. They look like coral branches. And where it's attached itself to that yellow green, it's kind of separating on top of it and giving it even more of a coral effect. Very interesting cells going on with this combination. And I love that effect right there. Looks like Northern Lights to me. I'm gonna have to mess around with that. I'm very pleased with how this one turned out. The overall composition of it I like. Those cells are just so cool. I'm digging that so much. Even like this little area right there has that Northern Lights thing going on. All right, that is it for today's painting. Man, it's cool. Do stay tuned in the next couple of weeks for my big announcement. Do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you're so inclined. That is a great way to help me stay stocked up in supplies and keep bringing you the groovy content. And also that Amazon link. If you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I receive a small commission of at no additional cost to you. And for those who do that and those who visit the PayPal tip jar, thank you very much. It is greatly appreciated. More than you know. And thank you for supporting this channel and being a patron of the arts. My website, GinaDeLuca.net, that is where you can find my art and my music for sale. Do check out the video for Better Than Chocolate. That is also in the description box. And what else? Oh, cannot forget, join our Facebook group. Go make some art. Post your masterpieces, ask your questions, get some inspiration. And that is going to be it for me today. I will be posting more than I have been, I promise. All right, you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.